Hi everyone, I realized that it's been a while since I uploaded a video, so I decided to make this one to update you about what I've been working on. If you have watched my previous video, you already know that I've made my first custom loop. It was a pretty simple one, just a CPU, but that was just to practice. Then the next steps that I already planned was to invert the layout and add the GPU to the loop. So this is what I've been doing. As you can see, this is already the phase 2, so the layout is inverted, and I've added the GPU to the loop, or at least I'm doing it. And it's not an upgrade like I planned before, because I realized that to invert the layout I had to redone all the tubes, so I decided to make a completely new build. So what I have here is a i7 8700K, and the motherboard is a Maximus Hero 10, and I have some G-Skill Trident Seat RGB memory, and the graphic cards is a 1080 Ti. Here there's a lot of paper because I'm almost done with the tubing and I'm getting ready to the leak test. And yes, just a few words about the inverted layout. It's not difficult to do, you just have to remove a lot of screws, but there are some issues. First of all is that the manufacturers are not considering that you use an inverted layout, so all the pinout and the cable are not made for an inverted layout. So for instance, if you can see up here, it was pretty difficult to connect all the cables because there's not much space. And also what I was planning was to do a push-pull on the top rad here, but then I didn't have any clearance because of the IO shield down here, so it requires just some adjustment and to place the motherboard tray on the correct position. But then this is it. So we are almost ready to put the tube in place and do the leak test. Then I'll keep going and invert also all the other part of the outside of the case. Also I've done here my old system, and I have already some ideas on what to do with it when I finish the build I'm doing here with the inverted layout. So just stay tuned. And also once all the loop is done, I still have to make the custom PSU shroud as I planned, and some other things that I'm planning. So if you wanted to keep an eye on what I'm doing and stay updated, you can check my Instagram or my Twitter, because I'm posting pictures and updates there pretty often. And this is it for now, just a quick update, and I'm going to upload a video as soon as I finish the build, which is pretty soon hopefully. And yeah, this is it.